Hi everybody, it's Christina from Card Making Magic. So today I wanted to share with you another development for the Card Making Magic range at CraftStash. So this is the decorative collection, and in this you will have ribbons of two different sizes. These are satin ribbons. You will have some decorative laces, and these are wider ribbons, and these are in organza. We're also going to be bringing you some gemstones. So these are little gemstones that you can add to your cards, and these are teardrop gemstones that you can also add to your cards. So let's take a closer look at what's inside these packs. The satin ribbon, and it's good quality. It will tie beautifully into bows for you, and this is the lace, and again this is quite good quality. It won't stretch, and that would make a beautiful accompaniment on your cards. So there's the look of the pink ribbon on some pink patterned paper, and you can also change the look by doubling up the effect, and that's really pretty for your cards. So here we've got the wider satin ribbon, and we have the white lace, and again make beautiful effects on your cards. And this is another one that you could double up. Now here we've got the organza ribbon, and this is a tube. It's a double layered piece of organza. So there's lots of different things you can do with that, and I will show you as we go through videos using these embellishments. But you can also tie really beautiful chocolate box bows with these, and I'll just quickly do one. And then once you've added this to your card, just think of the effect you will get. You take your scissors to the end, and there's your bow ready to add to your cards. You've got a blue and a lilac, and both have a pattern in them. And of course the gemstones speak for themselves. You can add these to your cards, also use them to hide the knot in your bows. Now it's not a skinny amount of ribbon that you get. I would say that there is a good 5 meters on each of these pieces. And so there's lots of decorating that you can add to your cards or your scrapbook pages, or any project that you want to make. They are really pretty, and we will be adding more to this decorative collection as we go along. So here we have a 5.5 inch card. I'm going to keep the fold at the top, and I've created the holly panel from the Christmas collection, and I've added it to the front. Now that would make a really pretty card, and I'm going to turn this into a birthday card. So I've used a sentiment from the Verses stamp set, and we're going to make this even more pretty by adding some of the ribbon. So let's just take some pink ribbon and add this to the front. We're going to pop that along there, and we're going to tie a bow and add that to the front, and we can pop that along there. We'll put one of the teardrops into the centre of the bow, and we'll dress the rest of the panel up with some of the little gemstones. So there we have a really pretty card for a birthday, decorated with some of the ribbon and the gemstones from the new decorative collection from Card Making Magic. Please keep visiting CraftStash. There will be more added as the months go by. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.